Hi everybody, this is going to be a tutorial on how to log into iReady from home so that your students can get onto iReady and lots of other important resources that you might want to use at home. So the first thing you want to do is get to the school website through myCNUSD. You'll click the top button, myCNUSD, and it takes you to this screen. Type in your child's lunch number or student ID. So it's their lunch number, whatever your child's lunch number is, and then at students.cnusd.k12.ca.us. And then the password is whatever your teacher has given you based on what they made their password in class. So your children should know their passwords because it's the same password they use to log onto the computers in the computer lab at school. And then you click sign in. I'm going to click no, but you can click yes if you would like to stay signed in. I'm just using one of my students' login information. And then it takes you to the CNUSD portal, and this really can get your child anywhere where they need to go. So pre-K to 5th is all the resources that they would use, and it's in alphabetical order. So if you're looking for iReady, you can go down and find it there. If your child's in 6th grade, they're going to have some different resources, and that'll be from 6th through 8th. So I'm going to go to pre-K to 5th and show you how to get to iReady. So you'd click iReady. Clever is a system that allows your children to only log in once. So if they've logged in through the correct way through myCNUSD, you don't have to log in again. It should just already be set up. And then your child can get started on practicing their iReady. I hope this was helpful for you, and please ask your teacher if you have any questions. If the password isn't working, it's probably because you might be typing it in wrong, or you are given the wrong password information. And then the other biggest thing is to always remember that when you're signing in, and this is actually wrong, this here says student ID, and then at CNUSD, but before CNUSD, you want to put the word students with an S. Students.cnusd.k12.ca.us. So I hope that that is helpful, and good luck by getting on iReady and practicing at home.